Hello everyone, magandang oras sa ating lahat. Welcome to my videos. Maraming salamat sa panonood at lalo na sa mga nag-subscribe. Thank you guys. At kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking videos, huwag kalimutan mag-like, comment, share, and subscribe para updated ka sa aking mga bagong upload ng mga videos na may maganda kasaysayan at halaga tungkol sa ating mga barya. Guys, ito yung coins ng Hungary, ang 20 forint. Mayroong taon na 1993. So, share ko sa inyo guys ang napakagandang history nito guys at ang kanyang value. The Hungarian forints and centuries of history. The currency has been important to trade in Europe for more than 700 years. The Hungarian forint has played a prominent role in the economy and history of the century and much of Europe for more than 700 years. In fact, the Hungarian name comes from the Italian words Fiorino de Oro, which translates to gold florin, the first gold coin struck in Europe. These coins, which originated from the florins, Italy, became important of European trade as countries adopted it and struck their own florins. Most of the coins were struck with gold from Hungary, where King Charles I, who ruled from 1308 to 1342, established the mines that provided most of that gold for all of Europe. Its supply of gold made Hungary, which started minting its own gold florins in 1325, an important power in Europe for the centuries. The forint was used in some form in Hungary even when parts of the country succumbed to different powers. In 1754, the entire country came under the rule of the House of Austria. In 1867, in the aftermath of the Prussian War, Hungary became Austria-Hungary, but the forint was used until 1892, when the new country was switched to the Austro-Hungarian crown. The Austro-Hungarian crown was used from 1892 to 1918, when the World War I resulted in the dissolution of Austria-Hungary. Hungary created a new Hungarian koruna. But in the war's aftermath, severe inflation forced Hungary in 1927 to convert the koruna to the fingo at a ratio of 12,500 to 1. The fingo remained Hungary's currency until after World War II, when inflation again destroyed Hungary's currency. But this time its effects were even more devastating. The fingo's hyperinflation topped out at a rate of 150,000% per day. This inflation made it impossible to collect taxes because collections were worth nothing the next day. Hungary adjusted its currency to display the fingo with fewer zeros by issuing male fingos which were equivalent to the 1 million fingos. The final fingo series, called the V fingo, indicated 1 trillion fingos. The largest note Hungary issued was for 100 billion V fingos, or 100 quintillion fingos. In 1946, Hungary changed its currency back to the forint. The exchange rate was 4 times 10 by 29 to 1 forint. Hungary still holds the record for the highest currency inflation. The forint has remained Hungary's currency since 1946 and has proven to be much more stable than past currencies. Hungary's forint was even able to stay relatively stable to the countries. Transition from Soviet influence. In the late 20th century, Hungary joined the European Union in 2004, one of the steps necessary to become a full member of the Union is to change its currency to the euro. But although Hungary has said its plan to change its currency, it has not yet met certain criteria necessary to adopt the currency. Hungary's government does not seem to be pursuing the change and has no definitive timeline for its adoption. Considering Hungary's history of the inflation, the hesitation to switch from the foreign is perhaps understandable. Ito yung kanyang features guys, ang baryang ito guys na 20 forint ng Hungary, meron taon na 1993. Ang issue nito guys ay Hungary. May period siya na Republic 1989 at meron siyang type na standard circulation coin. May taon na 1992 hanggang 2011. Ang value nito guys ay 20 forint. Sa Pilipinas ay nagkakalaga ito ng 3 pesos and 11 centavos. Ang currency naman nito ay forint 1946. Ang composition nito guys ay nickel brass, may 75% na copper at 4% ang nickel, mayroon 21% na zinc. At ang timbang naman nito ay 6.9 grams, ang diameter 26.3 mm. Ang kanyang thickness ay 1.9 mm. Mayroon siyang shape na round at ang kanyang technique ay mild. At ang orientation nito guys ay middle alignment, mayroon siyang number na A number 809. Ang reference number naman ay KM number 696, yung number 201. Adano number 10.1. Ito yung ating overs guys, ang Hungarian Iris. Ang binomial din nito ay Iris variegata. And the date below. Meron siyang script na Latin. At ang kanyang lettering, Magyar Kostar Sasag 1993. Ang translation, Republic Hungary 1993. Ang engraver is Bartos or Esteban Bartos. At ito yung reverse natin guys, ang denomination above the mint mark. Mayroon siyang lettering na 20 forint BP at ang kanyang script ay Latin. Ang engraver naman ay Esteban Cusa. Na rated at ang kanyang mint BP. Hungarian Mint, Budapest, Hungary 1925 ang kanyang date. At ang ating 1993 guys na BFI, mayroon siyang 41% sa kanyang 42,965,000,000 kapiraso. At 14 pesos ang very fine, mayroon siyang 17 pesos ang extra fine, 37 pesos ang about uncirculated at 62 pesos ang kanyang uncirculated. 732 guys ang ating displayan dito sa ating selling online sa eBay. Maraming salamat sunod guys at God bless ating lahat.